Hey guys, just a quick update to the video I made the other day about lower control arms on the Legnum and Galant VR4, and just how you need to make sure that you tighten the bolts that connect it to the chassis and to the wheel hub when the wheel is in the normal ride height position. And I've got an example of that here with this one. Now what I've done is I've clamped this into the vise really tight, and what you see is, you can see this thing is moving, but the central axis is fixed, but the rubber is actually acting like a spring or a bearing almost, and that's why you want to tighten it in that unstressed position when the car's at the normal ride height, so that it's basically sitting like this rather than massively compressed already and being forced to compress further, because it's actually also quite hard to compress these after a certain distance, and it would actually change, I believe, the spring characteristics of your suspension. You see, if you can see how the central piece isn't moving, but the outer one is, as this arm moves up and down. So yeah, it's obviously not quite tight enough, it's moving a tiny bit, but you get the idea. So there, just a little bit more information as to why it's important to tighten those bolts when the car's in the normal ride height position. Cheers.